What rules do we have dealing with client selection? Technically, the barrister's oath. Those of you who remember taking that oath at some point in the past might recall that there's a line in there saying that you will not refuse causes of complaint reasonably founded. And that has generally been interpreted to be our adoption of what in the UK is called the cab rank rule. That's the notion that lawyers work on the same basis as taxis, standing in a taxi stand, that they pick you up on a first-come, first-served basis. And you can't say, oh, you want to go to Piccadilly? I don't drive to Piccadilly, I'm not going there. Or you're a client who has this particular sort of claim, I don't represent clients who have that sort of claim, I'm not going to take you on. And the question has arisen, are you entitled to refuse to act for a person because you don't like that type of person? Theoretical answer that has always been given is no, you don't. You can't say, I refuse to act for you because I find people in your shoes to be distasteful, because people in your shoes give me some sort of issue or cause me to revisit some sort of trauma. That's the traditional answer. The reason this is easy is because that rule has never been enforced. We have absolutely no case of a court saying, you violated the cab rank rule, you have violated the bylaw generating the barrister's oath, you've committed professional misconduct as a result. A rule without enforcement, those of you, I see a number of my former students out there who are worried that I might bring up microeconomics. This is the only time I will bring that up. A rule that is never enforced is in effect not a rule. So we talk about having the cab rank rule, we talk about having the rule that requires lawyers to take on any client regardless of the nature of their cause. That's never been enforced by the Law Society in a way that has led to charges for anyone. No one has ever brought a claim against someone successfully for refusing to take on their case. Generally speaking, the way the Law Society has interpreted the cab rank rule, the rule that you cannot refuse to serve someone based on the nature of their complaint, is that you as lawyers are responsible for ensuring that they get access to justice. So you will steer them towards someone who takes on that kind of client. This was of great use for me when I was a baby lawyer, and people would come to me with family law concerns, and I didn't even take family law in law school. All I knew about family law was that's usually the one where both names on both sides of the V are the same name quite frequently. And that was it. So I was a securities lawyer. What did I know? So I could shove people off to family law practitioners and be found not to have violated the cab rank rule that says I will not refuse causes of complaint reasonably founded.